This is a 1991 Pleasant Company Samantha school dress. I am going to try and refurbish it, repair it, clean it up. Up here you see it has blue on the collar, stain on the sleeve here, and a stain over here. So I'm going to try and, I don't think I can get the stains out, so I'm going to just actually try to re-sew or sew white parts back on there, okay? Okay, I've got the sleeves and the collar off, and now I am going to put on the new ones. I think Nellie is looking really sweet in her borrowed Samantha's school dress. I think I did a good job in fixing the sleeves. I even added the Velcro like it was before. And I think she is ready for her first day of school with her friend Samantha.